Welcome back to our channel. You've already read the title, now let's go. Number 1. Minimalist recipe instructions. Sharing simple recipe instructions using stock footage and voiceover narration. With this channel, you can create delicious and healthy meals with just 5 ingredients or less. Create super simple recipes where you use only a few ingredients, that make cooking quick and fun, even for beginners. Number 2. Virtual art class. Teaching basic art techniques with screen recordings and voice instructions. On this channel, you can have people join a virtual art class where you'll explore various techniques and express your creativity from the comfort of your home. Bring the art class to your screen. Teach the techniques to draw, paint, and create amazing artwork, step by step, all while having a blast. Number 3. Internet urban legends. Exploring internet urban legends and presenting them with royalty-free music and images. Here's a channel where you can explore mysterious and fascinating stories of urban legends from the internet. Dive into this eerie world and unravel the truth behind these spine-chilling tales. Number 4. DIY home improvement tips. Offer home improvement tips using stock videos and animated step-by-step guides. Show how to upgrade a living space on a budget with your DIY home improvement tips and easy-to-follow tutorials. On this channel, it's all about helping someone make their home awesome. Learn cool DIY tricks to fix things and have your audience begging for more. And finally, number 5. World's most bizarre festivals. Showcase unusual festivals worldwide with royalty-free footage and images. Discover the world's most eccentric and unique festivals, celebrating traditions you never knew existed. With this channel, you'll get to travel the world and experience the weirdest and wackiest festivals. From tomato fights to giant bubble gatherings. Well, this is all for today. If you like what you've heard so far, please check back tomorrow for more. Also like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye for now.